Hey guys, today we're looking at still section 4.3, but we're looking at the area of composite, or sometimes they're called compound shapes. And it's kind of funny shapes because they don't fit into any of the formulas that we've learned so far. But you got something like this where um, we have an L shape. There's no formula for an L. But what we can do with this is divide it into two shapes that we already know how to solve. So my pen will let me work here. Let's say we cut it right here. And if we look at this, now the dimensions can be a little bit tricky here because it tells me that this side right here is 8, but my rectangle that I'm looking at for the top part here, it's too wide, but it's not 8 going all the way down. This dimension right here is 8, but this part right over here is 3. So I need to take 3 away from that 8 and make this 5. So 3 plus 5 is the same as the 8 that we have on the left-hand side. So 2 times 5 gives me 10 for the area of the top rectangle. The bottom rectangle, this tells me that it's 10 going across the bottom times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. So now we have two rectangles. One is 30, one is 10. If we add those together, we get 40 centimeters squared, the area of my composite shape here. Moving on, our next one. Well, a few ways we can divide this. We can make it into a big rectangle and a couple of triangles. I'm going to divide it like this, and that's going to make it into a rectangle and then a trapezoid on the bottom. My rectangle is 4 across by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the side. So that gives me 4 by 6, which is 24. On the bottom, my trapezoid is 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 8. If we add those together, 4 plus 8 equals 12. Divided by 2 is 6. So the average of the base is 6 times my height, which is 2, equals 12. So my combined area is 24 for the top plus 12 for my trapezoid on the bottom equals 36 units squared. And that's Max and Lolly barking for you. So apparently they don't like the lesson.